Are you a civil and structural engineer holding a bachelor or master's degree but still working in a construction site? It's time for you to shift from site work to office space design role, which will be your dream of life, right? We, Guru Raya Associates, help you to switch into design career, start your own engineering consultancy with our step-by-step practical RCC and steel structural design consultancy training. You can learn this as an alternate skill and elevate your lifestyle. So what are the benefits we are giving? We are giving you can join with us as an affiliate in the business development team, get passed in any interviews very easily, get job reference from our VIP group business owners. We have a VIP group, we can give that. Get design outsourcing projects also from our engineering team. Start your own engineering consultancy with our step-by-step guidances. Gain high confidence to start part-time design works as well. These are all the benefits we get. Now, what are the syllabus we cover? We cover basics, practical and concepts from scratch to advanced level of structural design engineering. From scratch to advanced level, that is very important. All type of loading calculations in Excel manual design. In Excel manual design also we cover. Also in ETAP Start Pro softwares we cover. RCC superstructure G+9 in Excel. Every calculation in Excel, members and elements of Excel manual design, ETAPs and Start Pro also we covered, along with response spectrum analysis of high-rise buildings. RCC superstructure, all type of members, elements, everything we cover, including the shear walls, retaining walls, everything we covered. Substructure like foundations, isolated foundation, combined foundation, mat foundation, rod foundation, pile cap, all type of foundation we teach you first in manual design. So we strongly believe that manual design is a very important skill to understand the softwares or operate the softwares. So this all we covered. Also we covered these all foundations, all type of foundations, safe softwares as well. Okay. Steel structure. Next, steel structure with one warehouse building with 5-ton UOT crane. That also we cover. All members and elements in like deck plate design, beam design, column design, everything in base plate connections, every connection, all in Excel design first, and then in ETAP, Start Pro softwares as well. So we can see, you can learn around 46 type of connections like fixed connection, fixed joint, pin joint, roller joint, all type of connection like beam to beam 0 degree, beam to beam 90 degree connections, column to beam connection, column to column vertical connections, base plate connections, bracing connections. So many with welded, with bolted connections, all type of connection concepts. Concepts means you can design any connection thereafter. You can create your own Excel sheets in there. Thereafter. So this kind of all Excel sheet design we teach. Also all everything in a software. Advanced concrete design of RCC. In RCDC software we teach. It is called advanced concrete design with automated detailing. We teach that. The automating detailing. Automatic detailing means once you design, analyze and design any building or structure, it can automatically generate all the type of drawings, column layout drawings, foundation layout drawings, beam layout drawings, all type of layout drawings. Automated it will be, it will be created, so that you can minimize your time on drafting. That's one of the and finally, after all teaching all these technical things and concepts and advanced level, we also teach you how to set up a consultancy. We are giving a consultancy setup training, how to set up a consultancy along with digital marketing to get consultancy projects from all over India or the country wherever you are residing. So all about training as a one comprehensive package we teach with 130 various structural engineering design practical concepts. So every civil engineer, irrespective of any course you hold, like project engineer, site engineer, planning engineers, QAQC engineers, architects, builders, promoters, all are welcome to join.